Hello, Ulster County. We are here in Port Ewan in the town of Decisive for a grand opening ribbon cutting at Decisive Designs Table and More. Trisha Morton is here with us this morning, owner. Say a few words, Trisha.
Hi, good morning. I want to thank God for just this moment. I was just a little girl from the island of Jamaica that had a dream, and today I get to walk in my dream. So I am so very thankful and appreciative. And also my sister who came in last week get to see me cut my ribbon.
Thank you so much. We're so excited for you. And with us today we have Town of Decisive's Town Supervisor Danielle Freer.
Hello everyone, Trisha, we would like to welcome you to the Town of Decisive. We are so excited that you chose Port Ewan and we are here for you. We wish you the best of luck.
Also with us today is Jose Torres. He's a representative of the Office of Senator Michelle.
Nothing but the best. Congratulations on your grand opening. If you need anything, always give the office a call. We'll be there to help.
Also, Laura Pettit, Ulster County Legislator, is out with us this morning. What a beautiful day to have everyone here.
Nice afternoon. What a beautiful day to officially welcome Trisha into our
All right.
I think we're ready for ribbon cutting.
And we're going to go on the count of 3, 2, 1. You're going to count. You're going to cut on one. You'll all cheer. And then stay where you are. We have a few certificates to present to you. Jim, can you hold? Perfect. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Is here on behalf of our board of directors. She's got a certificate to present to you so that you can remember today. You can hang that up inside and look back and always remember that we're here to help you through any of your times. And then Jose's got a certificate.
Recognition from the office to you. Wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you so much.
Smile. Love it.
Thank you.
All right, so I've got a marker in my trunk. Let me grab.
I'm so proud of my sister. Congratulations in order a million times. Well done. You have now walked into your dream and I'm so proud of you. God be with you in everything that you do. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one. Bye for now until my next video. Bye.